Put on the brakes! Stop the car!
Hey Chase fans, get ready for another action-packed episode of Caught on DashCam. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. On May 1st, 2023, around 11:38 a.m., a police officer was conducting a routine traffic stop on southbound Fairfax County Parkway near Braddock Road. A 17-year-old driver of a black 2018 BMW M3 was speeding northbound, lost control of the vehicle, crossed the median, and crashed into the stopped car and then the officer's cruiser. The officer narrowly avoided being hit but suffered minor injuries. The adult driver of the stopped vehicle was taken to the hospital with non-life-threatening injuries and was later released.
Put on the brakes! Stop the car!
On March 5, 2021, Officer Patrick McCarty of the Carroll Police Department observed Dennis Guider Jr. in the passenger seat of a vehicle at a restaurant drive-thru. Upon stopping the vehicle, Officer McCarty informed Guider that he was under arrest in connection with a forgery case originating in Illinois. When asked to exit the vehicle, Guider forcefully pushed the female driver aside and attempted to flee in the car.
How's it going, guys? Hey, Dennis. Hey, hate to be the one to tell you this, but it sounds like you got a warrant out of Illinois. Okay. You got your ID on you? I'm sorry? Okay. You have anything on you? Okay. Why don't you step out of the car until we can identify you? You got anything on your person, man? You got anything on you? Any weapons or anything like that? What's up? Awesome. Okay, go ahead and step out. Hello? Go and step out, man. Yeah, reach. Unbuckle your seatbelt and step out of the vehicle. Yeah, what's up? Stop the car, man! Stop the car! Stop the car!
As Guider accelerated in an attempt to escape, Officer McCarty was thrown onto the hood of the vehicle and carried along as the car sped away.
Goddamn brakes! Put on the f***ing brakes! Put on the brakes! Stop the f***ing car! Stop the f***ing car, man! Jesus Christ! Stop the car, man!
The suspect drove recklessly with the officer still clinging to the hood, reaching speeds in excess of 60 miles per hour.
Carroll 91, he is going north past the county shed to Highway 30. I have 1050 in a ditch. I need medics to my location. I have Officer McCarty down.
I'm okay, man. Go get him. I'm all right. Sure? You good? Go get him.
The suspect struck a culvert, causing Officer McCarty to be thrown from the vehicle. The officer sustained a fractured vertebra in his back, but was treated at St. Anthony Regional Hospital and released later that same day. Guider fled the scene and later stole another vehicle in Chicago Heights, Illinois. He was eventually apprehended and sentenced to up to 5 years in prison, to be served separately from his previous sentence for parole violations related to burglary and fraud.
Don't know!
On October 30th, 2024, a Breckenridge Hills police officer stopped a 2014 Lexus near Calvert Avenue and North Avenue for a license plate violation and tinted windows. The officer suspected the driver might be intoxicated and asked him to exit the vehicle for a sobriety test, which the driver refused. While the driver looked for his insurance, the officer placed a tire deflation device by the car.
I need to put your life in the situation.
Okay.
So you are not willing to take any of those tests to alleviate my concerns that you might be driving while intoxicated?
I don't want to, so it's not because I don't want to sit there and make something like you sit down and everything.
Mm-hmm.
That's not saying like I'm so scared, so good. I see it.
Well, you don't have to apologize to me. I'm just trying to make sure you're good to drive. That's part of my job as a police officer.
So it's just like honestly, I like just take my word.
So I'm not just going to take your word on it. That's not really how it works. You can agree to take the test, which is what you agree to do, whenever you sign your driver's license and you first get your driver's license. That's part of implied consent.
Shortly after, the driver fled the stop, prompting a police pursuit. As officers approached the vehicle, the driver fired a weapon at them.
Are you still trying to pull up that insurance? I'm just asking. You're fine. Okay. Any firearms in the car, anything like that? Okay. All right. Give me just 1 second. I'll be right back with you while you're pulling that up.
Police returned fire, striking the driver, who was then taken into custody and transported to a hospital for life-saving treatment.
You're good, I got you. Right here. Come on. Hey, switch with me around rifle. I got spares. Here. Don't know.
This intense shooting ended with officers striking the suspect, who was then transported to the hospital for life-saving treatment and later taken into custody. Now, I'm curious to hear your thoughts on this wild video.
We have the frequency. Vehicle is TC'd.
On April 6, 2024, officers from the West Valley Division Patrol noticed a gray 2019 Lamborghini Huracan stopped at a red light in the 18500 block of Sherman Way. The driver appeared to be sleeping, prompting the officers to reposition their vehicle behind the Lamborghini and initiate a traffic stop once the light turned green.
5827 Southwest on the approaching Moore Park at Circle 37.
How's it going, sir?
How's it going, man?
Good.
Do you have a driver's license on you? And registration for the vehicle? Is the vehicle in park? Yeah?
5827 Southwest on the approaching Ventura.
Do you know why I pulled you over?
The driver was identified as 51-year-old Elliot Dugan. After questioning him, officers conducted a background check, which revealed that Dugan had multiple felony warrants and the Lamborghini had been reported stolen.
Call, we're just gonna... Hey, Hey, sir? Can you do a favor? Can you step out of the car for me? What's going on? I just need to verify your license, man. That's it.
I just didn't know my license, man.
Huh? I need to verify it. I need you to step out of the car for me, okay? I understand that. I need you to step out of the car for me. Sir?
I'm not smuggling.
I understand that. I need you to step out of the car for me. You gave me a different thing. What is that one? That's your license? Can I see that one?
When officers attempted to get Dugan to exit the vehicle, he refused and sped away at a high rate of speed. The officers pursued him with their sirens and emergency lights activated.
1047 pursuit, still on vehicle. It's going Venus crash, ETC. Vehicle STC on Sherman Way and Van Alden. Where is he? I can tell. He's got me inside this mess.
1047.
Dugan lost control of the vehicle, crashing into the center median and several trees. The impact ejected Dugan from the Lamborghini. He was found several hundred feet away and pronounced dead by paramedics. The crash caused significant damage to the vehicle, which was split into two sections, and debris from the collision damaged several parked cars along Sherman Way.